Hey everybody on YouTube, what is going on? I just want to say hello to all my homeboys and homegirls before we get started today. So I've got a little rap because I know everybody likes rap these days, so you can kind of feel me if you know what I'm saying. Hey everybody, Rugal is my name. I got my eyes on YouTube and fame. You might call me a nerd, but I'll call you a bird. And I got things to say, so everybody listen up. I got one problem and that's what this is about. So don't get angry or I might have to shout. Yeah, I think everybody is feeling me now. So why don't we cut out to the news? I'm a big person on news, so I would like to educate the people that watch this video about what is going on in the world. Today I saw something very disturbing on CNN, and it is the Military Commissions Act of 2006. This law is very scandalous, I believe, because it is already causing problems. It has already been passed in the Senate and the Representative House. They are already waiting Bush's signature. This is very bad because this law allows us to torture prisoners without their consent. They cannot object to their imprisonment. They are stuck, and we can use any method of torture to collect information for them. This is very hypocritical, I feel, and I don't want to live in the United States of torture. So I urge everybody to write their congressmen and write their representatives and correct this law. Maybe we can get it repealed, because I know my American history states that if we have made a law in error, such as prohibition movement where they banned alcohol, we can correct it. So I urge everybody to try and read up about this law and be educated about it, and you can make a difference. Now, this gets me very worked up. I can't tell you how much it bothers me that we are living in a world where people are being tortured like this in this day and age. However, I do have some good news, because I am very big into space, astrology and astronomy. So I did see some very good news regarding space, and this makes me very happy. I want to share it with you all. There was a meteorite found in Kansas State. They are researching it right now. They are going to do carbon dating on this meteorite, and who knows what the future will hold. This is very exciting time for everybody, so I urge everybody to read up about this meteorite. Maybe NASA has some information on it, and we can become even more educated and more powerful, and we will be ready for the time when space is a big deal. Now, I also heard some very good news regarding China entering the space tourism race. Now, this is even more exciting than the meteorite, because this means average people like you or me can go into space. And that is very good information to hear, because I had never imagined a time when I could go into space. I can't imagine if my children or my grandchildren would be able to go into space. I would be so happy for them. This is a very monumental time, because now countries are starting to look into the profitability of space research, and we should encourage that. We should discourage torture and encourage space. I'd like to give some shout outs to my homies on YouTube. However, everybody is just quite sucky today, so I will not tell anybody's name. However, I do want to share with everybody some links of mediocrity that I have found on YouTube, because I watch YouTube at my lunch break. Now, I urge everybody to check out these videos after they are done watching me. They would be on the side of the screen in the description. And the first video I would like to discuss is one by Hillary Claire. She has recorded some video of her cat, and she is petting her cat very violently. This cat is laying down. It is like this, and she is just moving its paws, and it does not react at all. This cat is dead. This cat is dead. It is not moving. This cat is dead, and she is playing with its body. This is very scandalous, and I don't like it at all. It is a big scandal. It is not good. She is garnering people's votes and people's comments based on the conviction that this cat is alive, and it is not. Now, I did see the end of one video where this cat was aroused from his eternal sleep, and I don't know what to make of it, because this cat is clearly dead beforehand. So I just want to tell everybody to approach with caution, because this cat, who knows what it has gone through, it could have been killed and brought back. Now, another video I saw, this was on the most viewed on YouTube, so I always check out most viewed, and I was thrown aback by this Money House's You're Beautiful, It's True. This is a lip-syncing video where they try to sing a song called You're Beautiful, It's True. However, they spelled the name You're Beautiful wrong. It should be Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. I find it very disgraceful that people that don't even speak the language as their first language are correcting you. So you might want to check yourself before you wreck yourself. Now, I just want to say a little bit about YouTube and mediocrity. I serve a purpose in my videos because I am trying to educate as well as entertain. And I hope that you liked my rap at the beginning, and I hope that you listen to my news. Now that is what I want to contribute to YouTube, and I feel that I am doing a contribution. So I will take this as my cue to say goodbye, and I hope everybody has a good time, and I will see you on my next vlog.